invented crack house. Swipe me from the games like Kane without the flat time. No clemency, I beg your pardon again. I got so many G's I can start my own game. The boy so fly, so charter my own plane. What part of the game? Leave your girl Weezy, the Wayne Carter, your dame. Charges to the game, any artist you name can hardly ascertain. Don't make me target your brain. We shoot the biggest guns, the ones hardest to aim. So even if I miss, you still part of the frame.
Improbable speech is hypodermic. Discrepancy with gold bricks is nothing but a skirmish. Low key sheet work play, come in the diligence. Throwing out balls like the judges do sentences. Hip hop moribund, compared to kisses ain't hermetic. Memento to rappers opposite, he will stay second. Posterior with Garrett List Malarkey. Put him in line, my grandma dies him like broccoli.
He probably frontin' on Bobby Hutton, don't make me Malcolm X. Sorta like when Ali was shuffling East to West Connector. Grinding with my grandma floorboard, immaculate. We ain't cut from the same texture. Kill the lame conjecture. My pockets on extra. Camacho, Hector, Picasso, Lexus. The way I paint pictures with words, I could draw you a stretcher. Shit, let me put my easel to the curb.
Hey. Keep preach vertical, so you last theology. Devotional truth inside of my philosophy. On with optimism because of my bulimia. My diction is euphonic cause I'm hick like Wikipedia. Pioneer who's hip hop surrogate. Prison bars funkin' like Parliament. I need deodorant, charisma to do. My vocabulary is for fish scent. Competition biting verses like insects.
Don't make me start clapping like a twerker. Run up on low key the wrong way, I might murk ya. I can loan you artillery. Got so many bars, the song is a distillery. Try to blow my high, but you can't Reggie Miller me. Cause I stay with the presidents like Hillary. Till they imitating me. Ain't nobody ill as me. Fuck your little chain, we on the killing spree. Fresh off the wreck, you gotta feel it, G.
Nigga lines ain't touching mine, there's no type of symmetry. Cypher without consistency, insanity how they mimic me. Eventually, niggas will learn we're not a simile. Knocking going mentally, chalk line imagery so viciously. My kisses be destroying shit like Drano. No breaks, bitch, break old. Continuously remember me for cacophony speed. So foul, I need a penalty. Numbers for my identity. Pen, do time, sentence me.